So couple things to think about in the machine learning environment. You've got, two basic areas. You have supervised learning, which is essentially a human will label the data, and then the machine learning system is taught by example. And a great environment for this is Facebook has something like 2 billion images, everything from a tree to a banana to a monkey to a car out there, with more being added all the time, that are all labeled. So if you want to build an application that's going to, for example, maybe identify fruits at a grocery store, you would point your machine learning environment into this data set and have it look and learn what the difference between a banana and a apple and a kumquat and a kiwi fruit were, and learn by example, and have humans point out where it miscorrectly identified something, so it over time builds those algorithms in by itself to optimize the identification of those objects. Unsupervised learning is you feed a bunch of data into your machine learning environment, and it scrubs through that data and it looks for exceptions. So for example, if you have been buying hundreds of things a year from Amazon, but it's only a handful of vendors and they all tend to be between $20 and $200, and then all of a sudden you have a $2,500 purchase from Tommy Hilfiger that you never bought before, your machine learning environment might flag that as a non-expected outcome, and you might get a fraud alert from your bank or your online sales environment. Then there's also decision tree classification engines such as the gradient boosting machine or random forest, and in the environment that we put in place, we use Python coupled with Jupyter coupled with random forest to build the node split development tool.